Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told that we have these two angles, A and B. We're told that sine of A is equal to cosine of B. And from this information, we know that A plus B equals 90 degrees. We know that because for the sine of one angle to be equal to the cosine of another angle, their sum has to be equal to 90 degrees. And if we're told that A is equal to 4k minus 22 and B is equal to 6k minus 13, if we plug those values in, we can solve for k. So A is 4k minus 22 plus B is 6k minus 13, and these are going to add together to 90. 4k plus 6k is 10k, minus 22 minus 13 is minus 35, equal to 90. Add 35 on both sides. We get 10k is equal to 125. Dividing both sides by 10, we are left, the 10's cancel, with k is equal to 125 divided by 10, which is 12.5. So what is the value of k? K equals 12.5, which lines up with answer C. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.